In this video, we are going to see fourth part of compound interest in the Aptitude series. First, we have first question like a sum of money becomes 4,500 in 2 years. So in the second year, it is becoming 4,500. Same becomes 6,750 in the 4 years. So for 4 years, it is going to become 6,750 at compound interest. Then find the principal. We need to find the principal amount. So at the 0th year, so at initially or at the starting year. So here let we subtract these two things, then we are going to get 2,250. Suppose 4,500 is of 100%, then what is the percentage of 2,250 in this? So when we clearly observe this, so when we divide with these two, we are going to get 2,250 in this. So similarly, when we want to get the percentage value, here also we need to divide by 2. So here we are going to get 50%. Now compound interest of during every 2 years is 50%. Let initially the principal of it 100%, then now it is becoming 150% in the duration of 2 years. Then 4,500 is of now 150%. Then we need to calculate for 100% what is the amount. So when we observe this, it is a multiples of 15, like 15 3 which is of 45. Now 10% is equals to 300. For 100%, here we need to multiply with 10 again. So when we multiply with 10, here it is becoming 3000 as the amount for 100%. So now our principal we get as 3000. So 3000 is in the option A. Now let us see the second question in this video. Suppose principal is 576 rupees, amount of sometime becoming rupees 625, rate of percentage is 41/6%. Then we need to calculate the time to become 625 from 576. Like if it is of 0th year at the starting year, E is of with amount 576 at the first year, then to this amount he is going to add the interest, like for he is going to add interest of 41/6%, which is nothing but 6 4 24, 24 plus 1 which is 25/6%. 25/6% of 576 we need to get, means here we need to multiply the fraction number to get the interest from the principal, like 25/6 into 100, like which is of equals to 1/24%. Now when we multiply 1/24 to this 576, here we are going to get 24. So which is of equals to 600. Again for the next second year, now 600 which is of not equals to 625. Now during the second year, duration of 2 years, now we need to find the interest to this 600, like we need to write principal and we need to write the interest of this, like when we calculate this, we are going to get as 25, which is of equals to 625. Now we need to check this 625 is equals to 625 or not. So it is matching to become 625 from 576. So it is becoming duration of 2 years. So it is in the option C. Now let us see the third question in this video. The compound interest on certain sum of money at 5% per annum for 2 years is a 246. So it is of 2 years. So we need to use the 2 years trick for 5%. To get the fraction value, we need to multiply 100 to the denominator, which is of equals to 1/20. So 1/20 is in this direction. To get the principal from the interest, we need to multiply the reciprocal of this number. So here also reciprocal of this number. So he given the CA is like 246. Like suppose if we take here let if we take here 1, then it is a 20, and here also 20, here it is 400. So now CA is, so this is of 40 and this is of 1. 41 is equals to 246, then which is of equals to 1 equals to, now 1 equals to 41 6 are, now assumed 1 is equals to actually 6, so actually it is a 6, we assumed as 1. So for 400 we need to multiply with 6. If we multiply with 6, this is of equals to like 2400. So again find the SI on the same sum at the rate of 6% per annum. So here it is changing, like the 5% is changed to 6%. We need to calculate only the simple interest for 3 years. So in this is of like 100%. For 3 years the 6% is becoming 18%. So let us mention here 2400 is of like 100%. Now for 1% it is of like 24. We need to calculate, so 6% for 3 years for simple interest means it is becoming 18%. So 24 into 18, which is of equals to, when we multiply this means we are going to get 432 as the number as a simple interest, which is in the option A. 6 1 ja 6, 6 plus 1, which is 7 by 6 years. So if this 6 is of 1 year means 12 months, here we need to multiply 6 with 2, we are going to get 12 months. If we multiply 7 with 2, we are going to get 14 months. So 1 by 6 years means nothing but 14 months. Calculate the interest need to pay if the interest is compounded 7 monthly. So he is taking for 14 months. If it is compounding for 7 months means it is a set of 2. For set of 2, here we need to use the same trick. Here it is of 7 months, up to here it is of next 7 months. This is of first 7 months, this is of next 7 months. Total it is of 14 months. So he given a principal like 12,000. So again rate of interest is 24% per annum. So 24% is for 1 year. 1 year means 12 months. For 1 month it is of 2%. Now for 7 months it is of 14%. To get 14% from this 12,000, here we need to multiply with fraction value like 14 by 100. When we multiply 14 by 100 with this 12,000, then we are going to get 1680. Here also this is of 7, this is of next 7 months, duration is same na. So here is also 1680. Again we need to calculate the interest upon the interest. So we need to multiply 14 by 100 to this 1680, which is of equals to 235.2. Now if we sum of all these things like 3595.2, which is the compound interest or interest he need to pay to the something of person.